Dealing with claims in construction is a skill every quantity surveyor needs to have in their arsenal. In fact, in a recent RICS journal, it was stated that the number of claims arising on projects is increasing. Therefore, in this video, we're going to give you some tips on how to deflate inflated claims as a quantity surveyor. Quick disclaimer before we begin, this video is for educational purposes only and does not replace professional advice. For specific guidance, consult a qualified professional. Firstly, let's define what a claim is. The appropriate definition can vary depending on context. However, put simply, a claim is a demand or request for something considered due. In terms of construction, this could be a claim for an extension of time, price acceleration, differing site conditions, or scope changes to name a few. Some contracts avoid the term claim altogether, using their own definitions in an attempt to foster a more collaborative approach to risk and change. In construction projects, there are indeed instances when submitting a claim is warranted due to valid grounds. However, sometimes these claims are inflated, either to boost profit margins or recoup unrelated losses. Successfully identifying these inflations, accurately assessing their true value, and articulating an effective counter-response are key skills for a successful quantity surveyor. Let's assume you've assessed the validity of a claim and agree with the contractor or subcontractor that a claim is warranted. However, you now need to ensure the value and/or additional time claimed is valued correctly. Here are 6 tips that you can use to assess the claim and evidence your assessment. Tip 1. Scrutinize the documentation thoroughly. Before making any decisions, meticulously review all documentations related to the claim. This includes the contract, any amendments, correspondence, construction diaries, construction program, and other project records. A detailed examination can help you understand the nuances of a claim and identify any discrepancies or unsupported assertions. If the claim is related to an event, work with the project manager to understand the effect on the critical path. Sometimes, additional work can, and is, absorbed in the flow of non-critical activities. Even if this hasn't happened, a question which should arise is, could it have been? To assist with this, we recommend reading the Society of Construction Law, or SCL, Delay and Disruption Protocol, which details delay analysis techniques. Tip 2. Employ benchmarking and cost analysis. Use industry benchmarks and detailed cost analysis to evaluate the financial aspects of a claim. Compare the claimed amounts with similar projects or tasks, considering factors such as material costs, labour rates, and productivity norms. This helps ensure the claim is in line with industry standards and realistic cost expectations. Resources like BCIS, Building Cost Information Service, provide valuable data for such analysis. Tip 3. Stay up to date with industry trends. Stay updated on industry trends by engaging with professional networks and pursuing continuous education. Join organisations like RICS or CICS for access to webinars, conferences, and workshops. Subscribe to industry journals and participate in online forums to exchange insights. Continuous learning through relevant courses or certifications also keeps your skills sharp and adaptive to changes. Why not subscribe to the Metroun newsletter? We provide a curated selection of the most impactful UK news stories each month. There's a link in the description below. Tip 4. Engage in open dialogue with the contractor or subcontractor. Maintain open and constructive communication with the contractor or subcontractor who has submitted the claim. Discuss the claim's details, seeking clarification and additional evidence where necessary. This collaborative approach can often lead to a mutual understanding and more equitable resolution of claims. Tip 5. Seek expert advice when necessary. Don't hesitate to consult with legal experts or claim specialists if the claim involves complex legal issues or substantial financial implications. Their expertise can provide valuable insights into the claim's validity, potential risks, and strategies for negotiation or resolution. Tip 6. Document your assessment and decision-making process. Finally, ensure that you document your assessment process, the rationale behind your decisions, and any agreements reached with the contractor or subcontractor. This documentation will be crucial if the claim escalates to formal dispute resolution mechanisms. It serves as a transparent record of your efforts to assess and resolve the claim fairly. In summary, managing and deflating inflated claims requires a meticulous, informed, and collaborative approach. By applying these tips, quantity surveyors can effectively navigate the complexities of construction claims, contributing to the fair and efficient resolution of disputes and the successful delivery of projects. What are some of the more difficult claims you've come across on your projects? Let us know in the comments below. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.